So yeah, isn't this snow lovely? You guys are all staying in today. Hi chickens. What's going on with you guys today? Welcome to Canada. It's snowy. Pretty nasty at 6:30 in the morning here today. All these horses should be inside. Yes, don't know if you can see much, but it is snowing. Hey everybody. Can I turn some lights on? You guys are all staying in today. There's Devin. There's Houston. Hi Houston. There's that little guy's got a straw on him. Hi Teddy. So because it's cold in here, I actually have this wrapped up because I don't want it to freeze. It does have a pipe heater on it. 6 o'clock in Canada, pitch black, snowing, you know, the usual. Let's see, who needs water? You need water, Houston? A little bit. A little bit, buddy. Hi, Devin. How about you? What about you, mystery? You need water? Paulo? Need some water, Paulo? There, the horses have water. We still need to get some for the chickens. We're good. So when I'm finished with this, I just pull this off. I'll wrap it back up. It's actually not too cold out today. It's about 0, -1. So now we'll grab our bucket of water here. There's actually a drift under the door. All right, slide her open. So, be a good time to be getting chains on the tractor. Oh, you can hear them behind the plastic. Chickens! Chickens! I think they're waiting for me. I got my raccoon-proof door here. And it's snowy. Hi, chickens. What's going on with you guys today? Hey, yeah, you. The one not subscribed. You watch 3 of my videos in a row and try not to join the chaos. I dare you. What's going on with you guys today? Are you having a good morning so far? Why, right away, it's little Fred. Come here, little Fred. First one in the morning, say hello, little Fred. All right, little Fred, how you doing today, buddy? You probably want some scratch? All right, well, let's get you some scratch. We're gonna get you some scratch first thing in the morning. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, don't you know that? Gotta have your brekkie. Here's some brekkie for you. How about you guys over here? Want some brekkie? Oh, breakfast. Oh, breakfast. It's actually not bad in here today. It's nice and warm, eh? Nice and warm. Got a little bit of water here we can dump on you. A little bit of a leak in that bucket. Gonna have to get you a new bucket. Hey? Chickens, anybody want to go to work with me? They look happy this morning. Y'all happy this morning, chickens? Hey? Y'all happy? Well, that's a good thing, isn't it? Pretty warm in here today, eh? You guys got it almost like Florida in here. Well, the chickens all seem okay this morning. You ladies have a good day. I'm still not letting you inside right now. We'll wait till it stops snowing and it's a little warmer. Whenever I got snow on my boots, they go right after it. Right, chickens? Boy, you're talkative. I gotta give the horses some hay and then I gotta get to work. I got 10 hours of that to do. So, you be good chickens. You stay warm in there. See you later. That's done up. Grab this water, dump that. So yeah, isn't this snow lovely? First thing in the morning, like 6, it's probably about 6:30 now. It's nice in the summertime when it's all warm, but it's not always warm. So looks like I got some snow removal to do here later. All right, phase 1 done. That's tied back up, good. We're going to get some hay. Get some hay for these guys. I gotta go where it's not gonna be bright. All right, you guys, you ready for some hay? We got this kind of falling on me. So we'll just grab a couple flakes each. Basically, flakes are just what holds the bale together. When you undo the twine, they come out in like flake. Here, you want a flake, Paulo? Of course you do. Hey, Teddy. There you go, Teddy. And by eating hay all day, it keeps them warm. They chew and it keeps them warm. Hi, Houston. Here you go, buddy. There you go. Hi, Debbie. Excuse me, girl. There you go. And there you go, Mystery. You still got hay in your hay bag. You still got hay in your hay bag. And then there's Aiden. Well, Aiden. You want some hay too, buddy? Of course you do. You want some hay, buddy? All right, here you go. Okay, hey, don't bite my fingers. Wait, you got hay in there already. You guys gonna be good today while I go to work? You know you're gonna be in all day because of the snow. Hey, you gonna be good? Paulo, what you got on top of your head? Somebody gave you a little ponytail up there? Does not look good. Paulo, show us your little alfalfa haircut. Nice, nice. All right, so I'm going to shut this down a bit. Oh, because the snow's coming in. And that part is done. Come in, they got water, they got hay. So that's it for that. The water's covered up. So this is all done. Do the check. You want to say goodbye to everybody, Huey? Say goodbye, Houston. I'm gonna sit here all day and chew away on my hay. Say goodbye, everybody. Bye, everybody. And this light over here, and I'm off to work. Come back in about 10 hours. Ooh, that's dark. That's dark. Look at all this snow. Look at all this snow. Tell you, I'm gonna have fun with that tractor later and those new tire chains. Gotta love it. So I'm gonna shut this because in case they do get out, they're not gonna run around. There's my morning routine. Done. It's gonna be a fun day. Everybody take care. Stay warm. You don't wanna get caught in this cold. Chicken soup with Grumbles. What an awesome meal. Chicken soup with Grumbles. I love how it makes me feel.